In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Marvel Rivals 0% loading error. Now the way that we can do this is first you want to go to properties. Now if you have an SSD drive and you have multiple ones, like you have multiple drives, what you want to do is you want to move your installed folder onto another one. So you can see here I have two drives and you can see I have the game installed on my D drive. So if it doesn't work on the D drive, you want to try and use the C drive. And if you have it on the C drive, you want to try and use the D drive. So just move installed folder to the other drive and see if that one works. Now, if it doesn't work or if you don't have another drive, what you can do is you can come here and press verify integrity of game files. Now this will fix it for some people. And if that doesn't work, you can go back to general, type -dx11 and see if this one works. If this still doesn't work, you can delete it, head back to installed files and press browse. Find the launcher.exe, right click, properties, compatibility, and then activate these two. See if it works with those, apply and OK. And if that doesn't work, you want to try run this in Windows 8, apply and OK, and see if that one works. Now after you've done all of this, it should hopefully work. Now like I said, for most people, moving it to another drive will fix the issue, so try that one if you have the option. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.